Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Moodle online classes. In previous class we discussed fifth problem of exercise 7.2. So now I will continue with sixth problem. So here what they have given, if 1 comma 2 4 comma y x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y values. So here they have given four vertices of parallelogram, so we have to find out x and y values here. So here this is the diagram. This is the parallelogram ABCD and coordinates they are given 1 comma 2 and next 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 they are given. Are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, and here we should find out x and y values. Okay, and we will draw diagonals here BD and AC, and this O is midpoint of these two diagonals. So now here we will write, let A of 1 comma 2, B of 4 comma y, C of x comma 6 and D of 3 comma 5 coordinates. These are the coordinates of parallelogram. So now O is the midpoint of this. O is midpoint of AC and BD. Okay. So now this O is midpoint of AC. Okay. Then coordinates of O are, here I will write, O is midpoint of AC, because this O is midpoint of AC. In parallelogram, what is the property? We know that these two diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, this O is midpoint of these two diagonals. Therefore, O is midpoint of AC, whose coordinates of O are midpoint means here 1 plus x. We'll add coordinates of x values only. 1 plus x. 1 plus x divided by 2, comma, y coordinates, what are those? 2 plus 6 by 2. 2 plus 6 by 2. So now, here what we will get? 1 plus x by 2, I will write it as it is only, comma, 2 plus 6 means what we will get? 2 plus 6 means 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 2 1 the 2 4 the. So here we will get 4 as the y coordinate. Like this only. Now again what we can write? This O is midpoint of BD also. Okay. So O is midpoint of BD. Therefore, coordinates of O are, how you can write here? We should consider BD and this O is midpoint. So now again I will consider x coordinates. Get 4 plus 3 divided by 2. 4 plus 3 divided by 2, comma, here y coordinates. Y plus 5 divided by 2. Y plus 5 divided by 2. So now here what we will get? 4 plus 3 means what we will get? 7 by 2, and I will write it as it is only, y plus 5 divided by 2. And here you can observe that this O is midpoint for both AC and BD. Okay. Here, since this O is midpoint for both AC and BD, here we should write O is midpoint for two diagonals. What are those? AC and BD. Okay. So now these x coordinates are equal and these y coordinates are equal. Therefore, here 1 plus x by 2, 1 plus x by 2 is equals to this x coordinate. What is that? 7 by 2. And here y coordinate. What is that? 4. This y plus 5 by 2, this y coordinate y plus 5 by 2 equals to y coordinate 4. So now here denominator is same, both side 2 is there, so directly we can write 1 plus x is equal to 7. So now to calculate x value, what we can do, I will move this 1 to other side, therefore 7 minus 1, therefore x coordinate value is 6. So here value of this x is 6. Now we have to calculate y value. How to calculate that? Y plus 5, and I will take this 2 to right hand side. So what it becomes? 4 into 2, which is equals to 8. So y. So now to calculate y value, what we should do? I will move this 5 to right hand side, so it becomes minus because it is plus here. Therefore 8 minus 5. Therefore y value is 8 minus 5 means 3 we will get. Okay. These are the x and y values. What we did here, we considered four vertices of the parallelogram and two diagonals, and O is the midpoint. We know the property diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram, so that O is midpoint for both the diagonals. So by midpoint formula, we consider first AC diagonal. Here x1 and x2 divided by 2 means 1 plus x by 2, next 2 plus 6 by 2. So here we get 1 plus x by 2 comma 4. Like that only, again we will consider side BD or diagonal BD. So O is midpoint for BD also. Therefore what we will get? 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. So now this O is midpoint for both the diagonals, therefore these x coordinates are equal and these y coordinates are also equal. So now by using this, what we got? X and y value. Okay. So now I will continue with next problem. Seventh one. So here in seventh question, what they have given? Find the coordinates of point A. We have to find out coordinates of point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle. So here this AB is diameter of a circle, okay, and we have to find out the coordinates of A, whose center is 2, minus 3. The center coordinates value they are given 2, minus 3, and I will consider this center as O, and coordinates of B they are given 1, 4, and I will consider coordinates of A as x, y. So what they have given here? This AB is diameter of the circle and this O is midpoint of the circle, and coordinates of O they are given 2, minus 3, and coordinates of point B they are given 1, 4, and we have to calculate coordinates of point A. So now to calculate that, I will write coordinates of O and B are, what are the coordinates of O? 2, minus 3, and coordinates of B, what are those? 1, comma 4. Okay. So now below this I will write let the coordinates of point A, or I will consider directly, I will write here consider coordinates of A as x comma y. I will consider this as x comma y. So now midpoint of this AB is 2 comma minus 3. Midpoint of AB is, what are the coordinates? 2 comma minus 3, right? So now therefore what we can write, this 2 comma minus 3 should be equal to, what we will do here, midpoint formula x plus 1 divided by 2. We will add coordinates, x coordinates of A and B. What are the x coordinates? X and 1. Therefore x plus 1 divided by 2. Next, y coordinates of A and B. What are those? Y plus 4 divided by 2. Y plus 4 divided by 2. Okay? Because this O is midpoint of AB, this 2 comma minus 3, these coordinates should be equal to sum of these two x coordinates divided by 2, means x plus 1 divided by 2, like that only sum of y coordinates y plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so now you can write that x plus 1 divided by 2, here it is 2 comma minus 3. So here what you can write, x plus 1 divided by 2 equals to, what is the x coordinate here? 2. So now x plus 1 equals to, I will take this 2 to right hand side, what it becomes? 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. Okay, what we did here, see here, these are the x coordinate values, x plus 1 by 2 and this 2 is x coordinate value, therefore x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. So here what I did, I moved this 2 to right hand side, so x plus 1 equals to 2 into 2 means what we will get? 4. Okay, so now x is equal to, when I move this 1 to right hand side, what it becomes? 4 minus 1. Here it is plus. When I move this to right hand side, 4 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 1 means what we will get here? 3 is the answer. Next. Now we will come to y coordinate values. Y, what they are doing here? Y plus 4 divided by 2 equals to minus 3. Y plus 4 divided by 2 equal to, here y coordinate value is minus 3. So now what we will do? Y plus 4 is equal to, I will take this 2 to right hand side. So minus 3 into 2, what it becomes? Minus 2 into, sorry, 2 minus 3 into 2 means minus 6. 2 into 3 6, plus into minus minus. Therefore minus 6. So now what we got, y plus 4 is equal to minus 6. So now what we can do, y is equal to, I will take this plus 4 to right hand side. So what it becomes? Minus, therefore minus 6. When I take this to right hand side, it becomes minus 4. So minus 6 minus 4 means what we will get here? Y is equals to minus into minus plus. So plus means we have to add 6 and 4. What we will get here? 10. And the sign in front of higher value is minus. Minus 10 is the answer. So now we got x and y coordinates values of point A. So here below this you should write, therefore coordinate, here I will write, therefore coordinates of point A are, what are those? X value is 3 and y value is minus 10. So these are the coordinate values of point A. Here what we did, they have given that this O is midpoint of the diameter AB and the point B coordinates are 1, 4 and midpoint coordinates are 2, minus 3 and we have to calculate coordinates of A. So we have considered coordinates of A as x, y. So here this 2, minus 3 should be equal to sum of the x coordinate values of point A and B, means x plus 1 divided by 2. Like that only, this minus 3 should be equal to sum of the y coordinates values divided by 2, means y plus 4 divided by 2. By using this, what we got, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So by using this, we will get x and y values. These are the coordinates of point A. Okay. So I hope you all are clear with these two problems. Next class, I will continue with 8th problem. Thank you.